perfect all-around tool for cleaning, degreasing, and disinfecting your vehicle. Its even distribution of foam ensures the most controlled, scratch-free wash possible. Putting your cleaning sprayer together is a breeze. Simply pour the cleaning solution into the easy-to-fill mouth of the tank. Next, connect the tank to the sprayer and the nozzle to the hose. Finish by attaching the sprayer to the nozzle. To choose how much solution you want to release, adjust the dial setting. Turn the dial to A to release the lowest concentration of cleaning solution. For the highest concentration, turn the dial to E. Once you're set, you can start cleaning. To rinse, simply disconnect the sprayer and tank before you spray. Taking care of jobs the clean and easy way? That's a better
To begin, insert the car adapter into the vehicle's 12-volt power outlet. Press the clamp button on the side and position the clamp over the air vent plate. Connect the supplied USB-C cable, the USB-C end to the Omnia and the other end to the car adapter. Now, the Omnia is now ready to charge. With a strong magnetic force, the Omnia will securely hold the Latitude encased iPhone and automatically align it for a proper charge. The Omnia gives you the option to view in both portrait and landscape mode. Wireless car charging is now part of your life. No more fiddling, stay in control, stay in power.
I've been traveling Australia's outback for nearly 20 years, from the deserts to the sea. My Honda generator has been a constant companion along the way. These guys are outback legends, and they keep getting better. With the new EU22i, Honda has increased the inverter output by 200 watts, up to 2.2 kilowatts. To put that in perspective, I can keep my film crew, cameras, laptops, even the onboard batteries in the four-wheel drive charged up and still have enough power to plug in a coffee machine or two. What really makes the Honda range stand out above and beyond the competition is just how quiet these things are. When they say whisper quiet, they really mean it. The Eco Throttle, which limits the output to match the inverter draw, means you can run for up to 8 hours continuously. With the EU22i, Honda adds even more power to the most reliable, most durable generator on the market.